Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to share my evening routine with you. An evening routine is what we do after work or school, before we go to bed. It helps us relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Let's begin. I usually arrive home around 6 o'clock in the evening. The first thing I do is take off my shoes at the door. Then I wash my hands and face. This helps me feel fresh after a long day outside. After that, I change into comfortable home clothes. I like to wear loose, modest clothing at home. It's important to feel relaxed in your own space. I usually wear a long cotton dress or a comfortable tunic with loose pants. Next, it's time to prepare dinner. I enjoy cooking healthy meals for myself and my family. Sometimes I make rice with chicken and vegetables. Other times, I prepare soup with bread. Cooking is a relaxing activity for me. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes. While the food is cooking, I set the table. I put plates, forks, spoons, and glasses on the table. I also pour water or juice for everyone. Setting the table is a simple but important task. When dinner is ready, we all sit together to eat. Family time is very important in our culture. We talk about our day and share stories. We discuss what happened at work, at school, or with friends. This is my favorite part of the evening. After dinner, I help clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes, dry them, and put them away. I also wipe the table and the counters. Keeping the kitchen clean is essential. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the kitchen is clean, I have some free time. Sometimes I watch a program on television. Other times, I read a book or listen to a podcast. I also like to spend time with my family, talking or playing board games together. Around 8:30 or 9 o'clock, I start preparing for bed. First, I take a warm shower. A warm shower helps me relax my muscles and calm my mind. I spend about 10 to 15 minutes in the shower. After my shower, I put on my pajamas. I prefer modest, comfortable sleepwear with long sleeves and long pants. Then I brush my teeth carefully for 2 minutes. Good dental hygiene is very important for health. Next, I do my skincare routine. I wash my face with a gentle cleanser. Then I apply moisturizer to keep my skin soft and healthy. Taking care of your skin is important, especially before sleep. Before I go to bed, I like to read for 15 or 20 minutes. Reading helps my mind relax and prepares me for sleep. I usually read books about personal development, history, or light novels. Reading is a wonderful habit. I also spend a few minutes thinking about my day. I reflect on what went well and what I can improve tomorrow. This helps me feel grateful and prepared for the next day. Some people call this journaling or reflection time. Finally, I set my alarm for the next morning. I make sure my phone is charging and I place it away from my bed. It's better not to use your phone right before sleep. The light from screens can make it harder to fall asleep. I turn off the lights and get into bed around 10 or 10:30. I like to sleep in a dark, quiet room. Good sleep is essential for health and energy. I try to sleep for 7 to 8 hours every night. So, that's my complete evening routine from start to finish. It takes about 4 to 5 hours from when I arrive home until I go to sleep. Everyone has different evening routines, and that's perfectly fine. Some people exercise in the evening. Some people study or work on projects. Some people spend time on hobbies like painting, writing, or gardening. What matters is that your routine helps you relax and prepare for rest. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Remember, having a good evening routine can improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. It helps you transition from the busy day to a peaceful night. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful English lessons.